Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into delicious recipes and the stories behind them. Today, we're starting an exciting new series on a true American classic, the chocolate chip cookie. If you've ever wondered how this beloved dessert came to be, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love baking as much as we do. Now, let's crumble into the sweet history of chocolate chip cookies. It all began in the 1930s at the Toll House Inn in Whitman, Massachusetts, a place where travelers could find both comfort and delicious home-cooked meals. The inn was owned by Ruth Wakefield, a skilled chef and savvy businesswoman who was always experimenting with new recipes. One day, in 1938, Ruth was whipping up a batch of chocolate butter cookies when she decided to try something different. She chopped up bars of semi-sweet chocolate from Nestlé and added them into the dough, expecting the chocolate to melt and spread throughout the cookies. Instead, the chunks held their shape, and the chocolate chip cookie was born. The recipe was first published in a Boston newspaper, and as its fame grew, Ruth struck a deal with Nestlé. They began to produce chocolate chips specifically designed for baking, which was a game-changer. In exchange, Nestlé got the rights to print the Toll House recipe on their packaging, a practice that continues to this day. From these humble beginnings at a small inn in Massachusetts, the chocolate chip cookie has become a beloved fixture in American homes and culture. Its creation is not just a tale of culinary innovation, but also a story of unexpected success and the joy of sharing something new with the world. That's it for the origins of the chocolate chip cookie. Isn't it fascinating how a simple experiment in the kitchen can lead to something so universally loved? What's your favorite way to make chocolate chip cookies? Chewy? Crispy? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this slice of cookie history, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore different ingredients and textures that make every batch of chocolate chip cookies unique. Thank you for watching and keep baking joy into your day.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to